What's up everyone? Did you know you can write a book from scratch with zero writing experience using only the power of AI? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to do it. First, head over to ChatGPT, that's chat.openai.com, and we will ask ChatGPT to write us an outline for the book. Let's say we want to write a book on how to make passive income online. Well, we will write, give me an outline for a book on how to make a passive income online. Of course, you can choose whatever subject you want, that's only an example, and hit enter. ChatGPT will create a table of content with chapters and headlines and everything for your book. We will wait for it to finish. Okay, now it's finished. Then you go ahead and copy this outline. Okay. Copy, Control C. Then head to Google Docs, that's docs.google.com, or you can open Microsoft Word if you have it on your computer. We'll open a blank document. And then we will paste our table of content. Okay, it's pasted, but with this gray outline. We can fix it later, don't worry. Okay, now, all you have to do is just copy each title, like this one, this headline, for example. Copy it. Then ask ChatGPT to write you a chapter on this outline. So, write me a chapter on, then paste your headline and hit enter or send. Okay, as you can see, it finished writing a chapter for us. We will only copy it and then paste it under the title, and you simply have to do so for each of your headlines. Now it's only a matter of like making some edits to the format, maybe making the headlines bold, changing the colors, adding pictures if you like, and then exporting it as PDF, and you have your book ready. Now, after you're done with every chapter in your book and before exporting it to PDF, to remove this gray background from copying and pasting from ChatGPT, all you have to do is to simply select all your text, right-click, and go to Clear Formatting. Click on it. That will remove the gray background, but make sure you do this before you edit the format, like the fonts and the color and whatnot, because as you can see, it resets all the font properties.